Morning students, we are going to discuss about the preparation of alkane. In the previous video we have seen some methods how will you prepare alkane from different types of substances. Today we are discussing about the Urge reaction. How will you prepare alkane when alkyl halide is reacted with sodium metal? We will get alkane. The reaction is Rx plus 2Na plus Xr. Rx means alkyl halide CH3Cr Cl plus sodium metal, then CH3CH3, that means ethane will form. Okay. Second method, by reduction of alkyl halide. When you alkyl halide such as CH3Cl plus 2H, then we will get methane plus hydrogen halides will form. Okay. Next, Kolbe electrolysis. In Kolbe electrolysis, sodium acetate, after the electrolysis of sodium acetate with water, we will get ethane, sodium hydroxide, carbon dioxide and hydrogen gas will form. This is known as a decarboxylation reaction because carbon dioxide gas is evolved. These are also methods from which we prepare alkane. Now we will discuss about Cori House synthesis. This is very important methods. In this method we will prepare the odd number of alkane. If you prepare 3 carbon of propane or 5 carbon of pentane, then you can use this method. Now we will discuss about the physical properties of alkane. There are some important points. First point is that first 4 members are colorless gas. पहले 4 जो होते हैं वो आपको gaseous state में होते हैं. अगले 13, next 13 are colorless liquid and next higher members are solids. Okay. Boiling point of the alkane will increase the number of carbon atoms, but in case of branching the boiling point will decrease because due to increase in branching the size of the atom will decrease and the force of attraction will also weak. Due to this the boiling point will decrease. Okay. Now alkane with even number of carbon atom have a higher melting point as compared to the next lower alkane with odd number of carbon atom. Okay. Now we will see some chemical properties of alkane. First we discuss about chlorination. Okay, chlorination means if you react alkane with chlorine, then chlorination will take place. और सबसे पहले आपका CH4, when CH4 is reacted with Cl2, then CH3Cl will form, again Cl2 will react, then CH2Cl2, then again CHCl3, and finally carbon tetrachloride is formed. This is the chlorination reaction, and you use this reaction as a substitution reaction. Okay. Another example of iodination. Okay. And order of the reactivity of halogen is fluorine is greater than chlorine, chlorine is greater than bromine, and bromine is greater than iodine. Okay. Okay, thank you. Next we will discuss about combustion control oxidation in the next class. Okay, thank you.